Hi, I'm Archit from Bangalore. And after a lot of research, we found out the best place for detailing, and we so happened to come here. So the best part of the training has to be getting hands-on experience from Anckur sir, because from a lot of research I found out he's one of the biggest detailers and teachers, and the it's just the amount of passion he has for the craft that's really amazing. And it is some like, if you want to detail, you have to come here, because I'm sure you'll go back way more knowledge than you thought or expected to get out of this. So I feel, apart from everything else, having Ankur sir as a mentor is a must. Like, there is nothing apart from that. Like, he is the best, and that's about it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rajiv. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. So for detailing, I'm here, and Mr. Anckur and Mr. Malcolm, they teaches us very well, and we are in 7 in number this program, and we came to know each and every detail for car. So now I can claim myself as a professional car detailer. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Bikas. I'm from Nepal. Why I choose the AutoFresh? Because I have researched a lot of car detailing centers here in India, and this kind of centers are not available in our country. I checked a lot of reviews, and I checked the YouTube videos. That's why it pushed me to join the AutoFresh. I think that those who are thinking about the car detailing and those who want to start the profession in a car detailing, I suggest them to join the AutoFresh for the car detailing. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tushar from Bangalore. I've been training here for last 5 days, and the overall experience has been amazing. It covers everything right from the process to how to cost everything, and it's been really in detail, which I don't think covers anywhere else. So, if you're looking forward to be a professional detailer, this is the place you should be.
Hello, myself Samket Jain. I'm from Belai, Chhattisgarh. From past 1 week, it was a great learning experience from Ankur sir and Malcolm bhai. Actually, I'm also a beginner, so it's a great learning curve for me, and hopefully, I do better in the upcoming years. Thank you.